Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can fix if the weather widget is not working on your iPhone. So if you have added widget in your iOS 16 on your iPhone of weather widget, and if it's not working, I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So let's get start the video. So the first step is make sure that you give access to the location services. For that, you can go to settings and click on privacy and security and make sure that you have turned on this location services. So once you've done this, then the next step is check you have a good internet connection. For that, you can go to YouTube or Safari browser and to see if your internet connection is working. So once you have made sure that your internet connection is working, now the next step is manually select location in the weather widget that you can just click on the widget and then simply you can select your location manually. So once you have selected your location in the weather widget manually, and if it's still not working, then you have to delete the saved location or delete the just simply widget from the home screen and try to add the widget again. So that you can hold on to the home screen and just simply search for weather and just simply add the widget. So once you've done this, now the next step is turn on the background app refresh. For that, you can go to settings, click on general, click on background app refresh and make sure that you have turned this on. So if it's turned off, you can click on Wi-Fi and cellular data. So once you've done this, and if it's still not working, then the next step is you have to reinstall the weather app. For that, you can go to settings, then go to general, click on iPhone storage, and then simply search for weather. Click on it and click on offload app, and you will get this reinstall button. Simply click on reinstall. So once your app is reinstalled, you will see your weather widget will start working. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.